Ito po ang DTF machine sa Robinson Novaliches. Ako po si Felix Marauda, DTF operator. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. May 76 meters itong na-run as of this week. Ito po ang printer head. Ito naman po ang capping. Last na palitan yung needs nito October last year pa po, 2023. Head clean tayo. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang system ay tama lang. Racing tank nalinis every Friday. Ground wire. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Manual inventory. Weekly consumable. Naman yung nagamit sa cleaning solution. 30 cm film. Cyan. Magenta. Sa yellow. Black. Powder. White ink. Ito naman po yung daily monthly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.